Students, today we'll be going for the third and the last part of the nutrition in human being. So, this is the nutrition in human being third and final part. So, first of all, in one stroke, we'll be going for the diagram and we'll be discussing each one of the part, whatever we have done earlier, in very small period of time. So, this is the diagram of an alimentary canal that I have drawn last time. Now also I am drawing it so that you can understand it better. And the diagram makes everything perfect, understandable. So this is our alimentary canal, and this one that I am drawing right now is the large intestine. So whatever we have done, we'll be going very quickly along with the diagram. So this is the mouth cavity. Mouth cavity. So mouth cavity, what is there? There is the occurrence of salivary gland which secretes salivary amylase. With the help of teeth, it grinds. Mastication occurs. Then what happens? Next, the food reaches the esophagus, the food pipe. This is OESOPHAGUS. This is called what? Food pipe. Now, what happens in the esophagus? Peristaltic movement, contraction, expansion of the pipe take place, and the food reaches where? It reaches the stomach. Now, the stomach has a crunching movement, and it has gastric gland which secrete gastrics, and the enzyme that is present is pepsin. Is there. Ultimately, for the first time, we are finding another food is going to get digested. So, carbohydrate digestion started, but not completed. Remember, not completed. Protein digestion now it will start. Where? In the stomach. And what happens in the stomach? Due to action of the pepsin, the food material starts undergoing a smaller, simpler things of peptones. Now, another thing that I have shown you here, this one is can you get the diagram? This one is liver. Now, our discussion will be from the stomach that we have left, that is the stomach. This one is liver. Below liver, this one is pancreas. Now what happens? Come to the first thing. Stomach, partial digested food from the stomach reaches the small intestine. That is called chyme. CHYME. You are finding one word earlier called bolus, which has entered the esophagus from the mouth. Now the food material has entered where? The small intestine. From where? From the stomach. That is called chyme. Partial digested food. Now what happens? This is here you are finding the occurrence of small intestine. These are the small intestine. Small intestine are very much coiled. Why it is coiled? To increase the surface area of absorption. Again, another thing you have to keep in mind the small intestine is the site where ultimate digestion of all the food material takes place. So what you are finding here, you are finding this is, I told you earlier, this is what? Large intestine. This one is what? Small intestine. Here is the anus. This is appendix. Okay. Now, let's come to the most important thing here. It is the liver. 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 This is liver. Can you get it? Here. Liver. Liver secretes bile. But remember, bile doesn't contain any enzyme. But the bile has the capability of emulsifying the fats. So the fats is very complex. It is converted to globules. By whom? By bile. So that is called, you have to note it down, emulsification. What the meaning of emulsion? When you put oil over the water, it remains floating. That is emulsion. Same is applicable here. You are finding emulsification of fats. The fats get converted to globules. So that one made easily by whom? Bile. Next, let's come to another most important organs of the body, that is the pancreas. 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 The pancreas has mainly two types of enzyme. One is called trypsin. You have to keep in mind trypsin. 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 Another one, second is called lipase. What is called? Lipase. Lipase, lipase. Trypsin helps in breaking the protein. Because I told you, the digestion of food may take place or start in the mouth or in the stomach. Ultimate digestion of the food material need to be in the where? In the small intestine. So, trypsin comes from the pancreas, helps in breaking what? Protein. And lipase that comes from the pancreas, another enzyme, helps in breaking the fats. What fat? Emulsified fat. Who has done the emulsification? Bile. Clear? Now we are finding another thing. This is pancreas over. Now we are finding another word coming here is the small intestine. Small intestine. Small intestine, this is small intestine, has glands. In the wall of the small intestine, there are glands, and that gland secretes juice that is called intestinal juice. Intestinal juice. So you are finding another most important thing. So that intestinal juice now will be acting upon the broken food material or partial digested food material to make it into simpler one. To make it what? Simple. So what it does in this process? So this is the process why it is taking place. Now we are coming what it does in this process. You see that I have given you the first part 1 of this digestion. What this intestinal juice ultimately do? Carbohydrate get converted to glucose and fructose. Very, very simple food material which can be now easily taken. Now protein get converted to amino acids. Another important thing, protein complex, carbohydrate complex. These are simple. This is simple, red, simple, simple. Another thing was there. What was there? Fats. Under the action of intestinal juice, ultimately. get converted to fatty acids and glycerol. So this is complex. Fats is complex. Fatty acid and glycerol. What is that? It is simple. So what you are finding here, simplification of food has taken place. Now food is digested. We have done another two parts: ingestion over digestion over now. Now coming to the third one, absorption. So after the food that is digested will be taken by the blood capillaries which surrounds the alimentary canal, mainly the intestinal part. Clear? Those food material will be taken to the defined parts of the body. Transportation, assimilation. Got it? Now what happened in this process? Remember, whenever you take food, waste material will be generated. In this process, some waste will be generated, which will be thrown out by the anus. Egestion. So this is the process of digestion we are finding in case of human being. So that is the third part. So I completed the process of digestion. Thank you, students.